Welcome to a special episode of VVN3, where we talk about school lunches. Enjoy!
School's already in session, and for some, it's right around the corner, especially for us. So for today's episode, I have a couple of special guests, my youngest, Oray, and my oldest, Mimi, and we're going to talk about some quick and easy lunch ideas for you. So the first thing we're going to do is talk about the kid-friendly lunches, and then we'll talk about some of the adult-friendly lunches. For this one, this is my allergy daughter. She is allergic to several things. So for her, unfortunately, she cannot have any of the nut butters and not even the sun butters, which is from seed, because she's allergic to seeds. So for her, what I'm going to do this year is use one of our containers that keeps items very warm for long periods of time. And so we'll do spaghetti in here, leftover spaghetti. We also love these chickenless nuggets that you can get from Whole Foods. This is one of her favorites. So all you have to do is heat this up and then pop them in here, and they'll stay warm until she gets to school and eats them. So that's a really quick and easy idea for her. And for this one, she loves switching it up and having some different options for her. Especially last year, peanut butter sandwich was like her everyday option. So this year, we're gonna have several things for her. So what we have here is a whole wheat tortilla. So she's gonna show you how we're gonna make this peanut butter and apple tortilla wrap. So first, we're gonna get some peanut butter. And it's really fun to have kids do it with you. That's another easy way to get them to eat it. So we're just gonna grab a little bit more peanut butter, okay? About a tablespoon, that's the serving size that we'll use. And we're gonna rub it around on the tortilla. So, looks kind of like that. All right, and then you can get the excess off by just wiping it on the tortilla. And I'm gonna cut up this apple.
What can I do?
All right, and then this little one is gonna put the apples on the peanut butter.
Whoopsies.
Put it up here. All right, and one more. There we go. And then now we're just gonna wrap it up. And there's our little tortilla wrap.
Voila.
And you can cut it in half. And it looks like tortilla sushi. You gonna give it a try?
Let's see how it tastes. Good. Wait, that actually tastes good. What?
And another option you can do, same thing with the tortilla, is use hummus. And so she enjoys roasted hummus here that we get from Publix. And then we also get the cheddar shreds from Whole Foods. And this is what my youngest can also eat because it does not contain any soy or any, of course, dairy because we're vegan. And then it's nut free. So this is a fantastic option if you have several allergies like this one. All right, now we're gonna use another tortilla wrap and we're gonna do a hummus wrap. So we're using Publix brand of roasted red pepper. It's one of our family favorites. We're gonna do the same thing just like we did with the peanut butter. And so I'll have Mimi spread it. Go ahead. And then Oray is going to put the cheese in. Go ahead, baby. use your hand to pull it out. Okay. Okay, that's good, Mimi. Thank you. Yep, you can sit on the side.
Is that enough?
Just a little bit more. That's
Can I
good.
move it?
Go ahead.
Yeah.
All right. Of course, this is what happens when you have little chefs in the kitchen. So this is what it looks like. And then we're gonna wrap it up. And, you know, you wanna make it to where your kids are gonna enjoy this. So, you know, for myself, I would add some vegetables, peppers, and stuff like that. But she only likes spinach, literally eating them like chips. So I'll add some spinach to the side because she doesn't like it on this. So now, after I've wrapped it, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it for her, and that way it's easier to go ahead and put it into the lunch containers. You know, you can just pop them in like that. And then I'll let you go ahead and give it a try. I think that's enough cheese for us today. And so those are just, you know, 3 quick options. You know, you can have this in the warm container, and like I said, spaghetti or whatever other type of leftovers. Just go ahead and heat it up and put it in here and it'll stay warm. And then we have our peanut butter wrap and then our hummus and cheese wrap. And then all you gotta do is add some fresh fruit, or some spinach, like I said, that she likes to eat on the side, and you'll have a complete lunch for your children. Now for adults, you have some great things like this mini crock pot, and that's where all you have to do is open it up. It has this nice warming container, and you'll pop in all of your veggies, and you can even do this overnight. You just pop in whatever vegetables, if you want to add some soy sauce or stir-fry sauce, whatever, and close it, put it in the fridge overnight, and that way first thing in the morning when you wake up, put it in here and have it to go so that when you go to work, all you have to do is plug it in and your lunch is cooking for you right then and there. So very, very fresh and easy option that way. And then you can do just like what we just did now and create some extra vegetable options for yourself inside of those yummy tortilla wraps. So hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much, my little chefs.
Bye.